guys, it's Garci again here and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing down below and give me a like and share this video. In today's video guys, we're talking about how I lost weight for almost 12 kilos. Right? This moment I'm going to show you of what I eat during the day in order for me to maintain my weight of 58 kg. Before I was 70 and right now I am 58, and I am doing all this kind of stuff just to maintain my weight. Otherwise, I'll get back to the same like before and it will be so hard for me to restart over again. So I'm going to show you some of the daily food that I'm normally taking. Today's dish, we're going to grill chicken and oatmeal bread. And since I'm not having a breakfast, or I am skipping breakfast, I only have food 12 noon until 7 o'clock in the evening. And I love having bread in my meal. So for today, instead of having a bread outside, we're going to prepare our homemade bread, and we're going to use the oatmeal instead of flour. We're going to put some little flour, but more oatmeal than flour. And let's get started. I already marinate the chicken, guys. Actually, I'm supposed to marinate this since last night with the garlic and the pepper and the soy sauce and salt. But since I did not get a chance to marinate since last night, I boiled it with the pepper and salt and garlic, so that it will be cooked from the inside of the chicken meat. Right now guys, we're going to grill this chicken. We're just making this hot a little, the griller. Yeah. And we're going to make an oatmeal bread, guys. We have 2 cups of oatmeal, Quaker Oats. We have 1 cup of flour, a tablespoon of salt, and we're going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. We're going to put the salt all together and a teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to mix it and gradually guys put a water. Let's dissolve the Quaker Oats first. And guys, we're going to add a 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just not to stick the Quaker Oats in the flour. And gradually put the flour into the oatmeal and mix it together. Just like that. Until it becomes dough. And look at the mixtures, guys. It become dough, and yeah, it's very beautiful. So mix it well. And guys, put a little bit oil on your palm so that it will not stick in your palm. And mix it well until it become clear and beautiful. And set aside guys for 10 to 20 minutes until it become larger. And I just put some olive oil into my hand so it will not stick into my hand, and it's ready for a circular form. And our frying pan is ready as well. Yeah. guys, you only needs to have an oatmeal, flour, salt, and baking powder or baking soda. Then you can create your nutritious bread rather than having a white bread or buying from outside. It's very easy to make, so make your own. I'm going to put the ingredients on my descriptions box below so that you can have it, because this is my personal and own experience and I love it. It's crispy. You can have the food whatever you like, but you have to listen the carbohydrates or the carbs, because for me, I am eating less carbs, more on protein, because chicken is more on protein and the oatmeal bread is more on fiber. And yeah, there is a little bit carb, but it's not like having a heavy meal or heavy rice or a white bread that you can have heavy carbs on that. But this is my lunch today. And if you want to have a breakfast, you can have the same like this oatmeal bread, or you can put some glaze on like butter or chocolate butter or whatever you like, because this is more on fiber. And this is my lunch today because I'm not having breakfast, as I told you that I'm doing the intermittent fasting. This is my lunch today, and maybe in the afternoon around 4 o'clock I will have the same bread. I'll just need to have some egg. Normally guys, I'm having dinner 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. That's the maximum, and after that I'm not having food anymore, and I'm not having food intake anymore from 5 o'clock. So for me, it's more easier for me rather than before, because before, really guys, until now I love eating, but I'm trying to manage, I'm trying to hold, I'm trying to, it needs determination and commitment. So for me, I'm happy with what I'm doing right now, and I just want to maintain my weight because it's easy for me to gain weight, and this is how the way I maintain my weight. I'm not having carbs a lot. I'm having little, but it's not like before. And to summarize to all this stuff, to all what I'm talking, I lost weight because I did intermittent fasting for 3 weeks, and followed by the egg diet for 3 days, and a dry fasting for 24 hours. And right now I'm still doing the intermittent fasting because my body is used to not to have food intake during certain times. So my heavy meal is 12 noon in the afternoon, and I'm having snacks at 4 o'clock, or if I want to have a little bit carbs, not a problem, because I can have. And after that, I'm not going to have anymore. I can only have water and tea, or unsweetened juices. So that's how it is, guys, and I'm happy with the result of everything. I wish you like this video, and please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Thank you so much.